Today we're going to be talking about how to add our different policies such as privacy, refund, and terms of service to our Shopify store. This includes the actual creation as well as the navigation, and it's actually easier than you'd think it would be. In the back end of our Shopify store, we're going to click on Settings, then we're going to click on Legal. Within here, we're able to create our different policies. So, refund, privacy, terms of service, as well as our shipping policy. And all of these are very important to encourage trust with your customers. Now, the wonderful thing about Shopify is that it actually already has pre-made themes for most of these. So for example, for the refund policy, I can simply click Create from Template. This will automatically include all the personal information that we've already put into our Shopify store, which would prevent us from having to do a lot of things on our own. We can do the same thing for our privacy policy, as well as our terms of service. You'll notice that the only one that can't be automatically generated is our shipping policy. And that makes a lot of sense because a shipping policy varies very much between different Shopify stores. If you've generated these different policies automatically, you'll want to make sure you actually read through them and adjust anything that might not be up to what your store stands for or what it's able to actually achieve. Once completed, make sure that you click the Save button at the top. Now that we have these pages, let's look into how to put them into our online store. First of all, click on Online Store, then click on Navigation. Typically, these links are included in the footer menu, so let's add them there. First off, let me add a menu item. When I go to the link, instead of going to pages where you think it might be, I'm actually going to scroll down to Policies and click on that. You'll see that I have the ability to add any of the different policies that we've created. Let's go with privacy first. I'm going to simply add that, and let's do that for the rest of our policies here. Now that we've finished adding all of our different pages to our footer menu, let's take a look at what this looks like on the front end of our store. You can see now that if we scroll to the bottom of our store, we now have those different options available for our users to click on. For example, let's take a look at our refund policy. You can see that this is nicely laid out using the typography and different font sizes that we had available for the rest of our site. Make sure that you add these into your store. Regardless of whether they're at the bottom of your page or somewhere else, you have to make sure that they're easily accessible to your customers. Without them, you can lose your customers' trust in your website, so it's very important that you properly fill these in. That's all for now. Catch you next time. Looking to improve your store? Hire a geek. We offer individual store optimizations, one-on-one training, as well as workshops. Check out the description below for more information.